The Odisha government has suspended rice distribution to over 20.58 lakh beneficiaries who have not completed mandatory eKYC for their ration cards. Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra informed that the government will give a 3-month window for eKYC completion. During this period, the ration cards will remain suspended. If the process is not completed within the deadline, the ration cards will be permanently cancelled. However, those who complete eKYC even after suspension will again be eligible to receive rice. To address network issues in remote areas, the government has installed mobile boosters and strengthened infrastructure to support eKYC enrollment. The minister also announced that children above 5 years of age will now be included under ration card coverage. People have been urged to complete the process at the earliest to avoid disruption in receiving food grains.
eKYC प्राय 20,58,000 लोक eKYC करना से जो माने करना से चाउल आम बंद करूँ जदि चाउल नजा शुणिकी से आसती eKYC कलापर सागे सागे आम देवु कि जो मान eKYC हो चाउल किसी जीवार किसी असुविधा ना नेटवर्क समस्या जो जिला मानकर थिला सेगुड़े आम सबु प्रकार माने नेटवर्क व्यवस्था करिचु आउ केमती नेटवर्क कारण eKYC बंद न हो से व्यवस्था भी करिचु आउ तार जो बूस्टर सिस्टम बूस्टर भी आम लगेचु जोटा नेटवर्क ठीक भाव में काम दब से कार्य आम कर सत्वे जदि हो पारे ना ताले से माने जो मान रहीगला से आसवे पुणी जिला केन्द्र मानक करेंगे 3 मास अपेक्षा करूँ 3 मास सस्पेंडेड अवस्था रमें वेट करूँ जदि कहीं न आसिले 3 मास भितर आम ताको काटिदेबू।